Hey Han, it's Robyn. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. I run a holistic beauty blog called Behold, and in this space we're all about feeling beautiful from inside out. In this video I'm going to show you how I did this cute little bun updo, and it's probably going to take you like 10 minutes. You'll only need a parting and edge tool, you'll need an edge tamer, and you'll need a curl cream or a gel and some water. So that's all you need. Let's get into the video. I'll show you exactly how I did this. So I am going to part my hair in the middle, middle. I've been listening to I can't remember what that song is, but it's baby, why don't you just meet me in the middle? I'm losing my mind just a little. And I'm gonna use the triple edge styler. I got this from Clicks. It was a gift. And I'm gonna use this side and this side for my edges, and this to part my hair. Baby. Yeah, so that song is like literally ringing in my head right now. And yeah, I just want to make sure that my middle part is straight. I have literally had the laziest day today. It's like 4 o'clock in the afternoon, and I'm so glad that there's still beautiful natural light to film with, because I prefer filming during the day. I haven't been doing anything this entire day but eating. Because yesterday I had to run errands, and I also started volunteering at this soup kitchen, and then I also had a chat with my aunt, which ended up being way too long than it was supposed to, and then I went to go and look for a dress, and I didn't eventually find the dress, but I'm gonna have to go and look tomorrow. So I am using these rubber bands just to tie my hair. I'll show you how I tie it. So I'm gonna take my hair like this, and I'm gonna move it like a bit forward, so so that there's lots of space here, and it comes like in line with my ear. I'm gonna line it in line with my ear, and I will just do like, you know how you do a crossover bun but from the back, so that this appears in the front. That's my first one. My hair is a bit shorter than it used to be, so yeah, but I like it this way. I really like it. And I will just tuck the rest of the hair that's hanging out. I will twist it so that I'm also covering the band. Baby, what? Damn, that song is like in my head right now. Okay, so again, twisting this side. And you don't have to worry about the stray hairs, because we're gonna brush it all back now. This is left hand problems, eh? When the one side comes right and the other side just doesn't look as amazing. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Okay. Tuck this in. Tuck all of this in. And then this leftover hair, I'll just twirl around. Yeah. And then you can take another band and then just put it like this. Here's my other one. So I'm going to connect these two like this. Cool. And then I just is all we ever talk about. So I'm going to take my curl enhancing smoothie and I'm just going to flatten my hair at the back and these hairs here in the front, because I'm not going to use gel because I don't want it to look super flat. I want it to have a little volume to it. And then I'm just going to take this brush and brush. Poso tayo hard may seen. Oops, yes. Yes, I'm loving it. Looking like a McDonald's sign. Okay. Then I'm going to take my Design Essentials edge tamer. I have literally had this for the longest time. This is 167 Rand. The last time I checked it was 167 Rand. And I actually also included this in my natural hair favorites. If you want to watch that video, I will include it in the description box below. But yeah, I included a whole list of products that I was using last year in 2018. And this was one of them, which is my favorites, and it still remains a fave. So I just want to make sure that I brush my edges forward. I have a lot of baby hairs. I don't want it to be too extra, but I also want it to be even. You can first wet your edges with water, or you can take a gel, not an edge tamer, like a normal gel that's got a lighter texture, to like make sure that you've parted them. But I'm just gonna use water because I think that's fine for me. Okay, as you can see, my edges are wet. They're wet. So I'm just gonna take my edge tamer, and you don't need a lot. You don't need to apply a lot. And I will rub them on 3 of my fingers, well, 4 of my fingers. Clearly, I'm not a maths person, okay? I'll rub them on 4 of my fingers, and I will hold my hair back and then just start tapping at it, because I don't want them to go flat immediately. I'm actually going to use the brush to brush it flat. So just literally tap the edge tamer so that it is on my hair. So while I brush, I will just hold my finger down and brush in the direction that I want it to go. And when I brush it flat, then it stays that way. As you can see. I read this, well actually I was watching this video the other day where this woman was saying, if you want to get a song out of your head, you need to think of the end of a song, because your mind, or if you just want to stop remembering something, you need to think of the end of it, because your mind likes to replay things that you haven't finished. Why don't you just meet me in the middle? Okay, and then, I mean, this is just a step that I would want to take. You don't have to do this. I would just hold it flat for like 5 to 10 minutes. And that's it. Done. Okay. And there you go.